Guys, I'm here with Blue Baby, getting ready to take a grade. They're actually the blue, whatever they're called, the bluebirds, the blue jays are really pretty up close, but as you can see, his chest had a wound. His left wing was hurt. Blue jays are actually really cute up close. But there's the shovel. Which one? The small one. Small one will be a lot easier. So yeah, I'm coming over here to bury him. Oh, God, this is hard. But as some of you guys know, if you've seen my videos, right there is where I buried Posey. Where that Ellis is where I buried Lucky. You guys don't know who Lucky is because I wasn't doing YouTube at the time when I had Lucky. But, you know, Blue Baby, who grown up, lasted like 3 days. Longer than Posey. Posey lasted like 2. Get away, Cricket. Go. God, I hate Cricket. So I'm going to set Blue Baby down right there. So beautiful. But man, he rinks because of his cut. And I'll see you guys when I get done and I'm putting him in the hole. Bye. If my phone will even let me. Alright guys, so I'm back and here's one last look at Blue Baby. So cute, Blue Baby. Here's his home. Every time I get a bird, I always want to pet him. But I just can't. Too wild. Don't want to get them used to us. And so, you know, I never want to pet them like this. At least I do get to pet them, but it's in a sad way. Here. See, can you guys still see down there? Am I videoing the rock? Okay. Yeah, you can see down there still. But yeah, right now I'm covering them up. I haven't put a rock on Posey's grave. I haven't found a big enough one. But for one that I can carry that's not too big and not too small. Get the dirt out of my shoe. Now my sock's dirty as heck, so is my shoe, but got 2 other pairs back in California. I'm gonna start burying all my birds right up this line. So starting with Lucky, going with Posey, Blue Baby is gonna go on straight down to there, like that, and then gonna come down here and through there. Then we're gonna start on the other side. Not gonna get that many birds, but you know, if I ever do. It's kind of sad when the birds die. Blue Baby gave him corn. I gave him, or her, I'm not sure what the gender was, but you know, I was calling him a him type of habit. I was giving him corn, had him plenty of water, gave him bird food, and he had, in the mornings we would let him out. Is Mama in here? Oh no. Okay. Here are little kittens, 2 hazel kittens. a white and yellow one, a yellow one, and another yellow one back there. Maybe. No. Hey, you are fine. Where's the other yellow one? All I know is there's supposed to be 5. And the SpongeBob's still in here. Well, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.